Do you have a home inventory? If you've never taken the time to create a comprehensive list of your possessions, now's the time to do it. Disasters are hard enough, and the recovery can be just as challenging, especially when you're unsure of which of your belongings have been impacted. Creating and maintaining a home inventory can help you recover faster. So, here's some of our top advice for creating a home inventory. Your home inventory should list every item in your home valued over $50. Here's how we recommend putting it together. Organize items by location in your home and record serial numbers, makes, models, and any other identifying information. You'll also want to include financial information, like what you paid for the item, what it would cost to replace the item, and its current value. Go room by room through your home. Don't forget about the garage, attic, basement, and other buildings on your property. Write down any pertinent information, and then take a photo of each item. You can create a home inventory in a digital spreadsheet, or download one of a variety of apps to track your items. We recommend digitizing your inventory in some way to safeguard against loss. It may feel daunting to think about inventorying all of your belongings. Don't stress. Try to break it up over the course of several days. Once it's complete, pick a time that works for you to update your inventory each year. It could be the beginning of the new year, or maybe during a spring cleaning. You can even put a reoccurring reminder on your calendar. We also recommend having multiple copies of your inventory. Keep one in a secure place that won't be damaged by fire or water, like a safe, fire cabinet, or even the freezer. Have another copy in a water-resistant bag in an emergency kit. And finally, have one stored digitally, preferably in a cloud-based secure location so you can access it anywhere. While you're at it, include copies of your insurance policies and other important documents with your home inventory. You did it. Hopefully you won't ever need it, but you'll be glad to have it if you do. Getting your life back to normal after a disaster is so important. That's why we take great pride and care in our restoration and recovery process. When you need restoration or remediation for water, fire, or smoke damage, choose Rainbow International.